Hey people, welcome back to my channel. I so apologize for the really long break. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how I made my super yummy vermicelli noodles. Okay, so these are the ingredients: some sliced carrots, some sliced green bell peppers, some vegetable oil, and my ground habanero, and the star vermicelli noodles. Like, this is my favorite noodles of all times, and my sauces. Please check the description for the exact measurements of all of these ingredients. Okay, so now you want to put your vermicelli noodles in a bowl, okay, and add boiling water over this, and you want to let this rest for like 3 to 5 minutes. And after that, the vermicelli will loosen up and it will look like so. And you want to go drain that, get the water off, and you want to get some scissors, cooking scissors, guys, and cut it in bits. This is really super long, so you actually need to cut this, otherwise you will not be able to work with it. Okay, so when that's done, you want to start stir frying. So to your wok, you want to add some vegetable oil and start with the eggs. I started with my eggs. So you want to scramble this, wait for the eggs to set a little bit before you push it down to the middle. Okay, that's how to get perfect scrambled eggs. So you want to do this until your eggs are thoroughly cooked, and when you're done, of course, scoop it out of the wok and just set it aside. And I added about a tablespoon of vegetable oil again. This I just added some salt and black pepper and some soy sauce. Mind you guys, I use light soy sauce for this. Okay, so you just want to stir all of that in until it's properly coated, and then you want to fry this. So put that in the wok and watch it, eyeball it, guys. It doesn't take too long to cook. In about a minute or two you should be done. Don't try this in your house. You can use a fork to turn it. You don't need to use your hands so you don't hurt yourself. Okay, I'm used to this, and so it's easy for me. So after about a minute or two, your prawns should be done, so you just want to scoop it out and set aside again. So the next thing I did was to start the whole cooking process. So I started with my onions. So I sauteed this for about 30 seconds, and just until the onions became translucent. Okay, and then I squashed my garlic in there, just about one medium-sized garlic. And when you do this, you would just want to stir fry everything until the garlic becomes fragrant and your kitchen smells absolutely amazeballs. You know what I mean? Okay, so when you're done with this, the next thing you want to do is to work with your vegetables. Okay, so I started with my carrots, my sliced carrots. You can see how perfect they look. Every size looks the same. And then I added my green bell peppers. If you have red bell peppers or yellow bell peppers, other kinds of vegetables you have, you can put that in here. But this is what I had at home, and so I had to work with this. Okay, so when I did that for about 30 seconds, I added my habanero peppers and my vermicelli noodles. Okay, if you don't cut it, you will not be able to work with it. Trust me, you don't want to work with it like that. It's longer than your regular spaghetti. Like, it's really long. Okay, so after adding the vermicelli noodles, I proceeded to stirring everything well so that my vermicelli is really nice and filled with vegetables. And then I added my oyster sauce, my light soy sauce, and my sesame oil. Okay, and when you're done, of course, you want to stir. And when you stir this and you don't think your soy sauce or your oyster sauce is not enough, you can even add some salt if you want to, but trust me, I didn't add salt. All the sauces I used were enough for the vermicelli noodles to have a great taste. And after doing that, I added my scrambled eggs. Guys, I was getting hungry at this point. Okay, so again, this is a stir fry meal, so you really have to keep stirring all the time, and at no point should you leave your fire. Just stand by it, guys. You're already done. And after that, I added my prawns. Okay, and again, you want to stir. If you have some spring onions, you can proceed to add it at this point for extra garnish, but this is all I had and this is all I had to work with. So basically I just stirred all of that together and that's it. It's really, really simple. It's really yummy. You can make this as a quick dinner or breakfast on Saturdays, or to teach some friends, or just to treat anyone special, you know what I mean. So the next thing I did was to plate. I'm still working on my plating skills, guys, so please don't laugh at me. And again, if you got to this point in this video, please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.